Welcome to Ghost Academy. In today's video I'm going to explain the code of pyqt 5 random password generator GUI application. This is the GUI file generated from UI file. I showed how to design GUI with pyqt 5 designer application in my previous video. In my Python program I have imported all required modules for this. Here I have initialized UI and I have connected all button press events to relevant functions. Now the set of code is event filters added to my custom minimize, maximize, and close buttons. Next I have center align password field and disabled that field. I remove this Windows title bar using this code. This is the function to generate random passwords. In there I have checked every possible combinations of checkbox ticks. Checkboxes are to select lowercase uppercase numbers and symbols. And if no checkbox is selected, displays an error in a message box. So then I added characters according to selected checkboxes. After I shuffle all characters and display generated password on text field. Next function is copy to Clipboard. As you will already know what it does, it copies generated text. Minimize app function is to minimize window and maximize app is to maximize window and restore window. Close app function will close the application. Because I removed title bar I cannot move my window, so I added mouse press event and mouse move event to drag and move window from any point. Event filter is to change images minimize, maximize, and close buttons on mouse hover. It will give a highlight effect when I move mouse to those buttons. At last the code to run the GUI application. Let's run this program. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.